Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. First, COVID-19 vaccination administered in New Hampshire. Frontline healthcare workers receive vaccine at Elliott Hospital. An Elliott Hospital ICU nurse on Tuesday became the first person in New Hampshire to be vaccinated for COVID-19 as the vaccines began to be distributed to healthcare workers. 5 Solution Health workers were vaccinated in an event outside Elliott Hospital. The vaccination were a moment of hope as the pandemic continued to surge in New Hampshire, which has seen nearly 32,000 cases of the coronavirus. More than 60% of the cases have been confirmed since November 1st. Governor Chris Sununu told the crowd at the event that the vaccination marked the beginning of the end of the pandemic, but it's essential that people continue to take precautions in the coming months as the vaccine slowly rolls out, starting with high-risk groups. ICU nurse Heidi Kukla was the first person in New Hampshire to be vaccinated. The 17-year health care veteran said she has seen so much suffering and death over the past 9 months that she didn't hesitate when she was asked to go first. I said from the very beginning I would be the first in line, she said. We're all exhausted. We work very long shifts with very, very sick patients. The units are all short-staffed for various reasons. People are out with COVID. They have to quarantine because they have family members with COVID. She said she wanted to show people there was nothing to fear from the vaccine, saying the alternative is much worse. I can assure you that there is absolutely nothing worse than being a patient on a ventilator in an ICU anywhere in this country right now with COVID. The anguish of the family members that can't be there, that are returned to a phone call with a provider maybe once a day because we're all so busy that we don't have time to spend with the families that we'd like to, Kukla said. We don't have the time to hold the hands of the patients and calm them the way that we would like to. Many of the first vaccines are slated for long-term care facilities, but they won't be able to start vaccination until December 21st. State health officials said the schedule is set because of agreements between the federal government and CVS and Walgreens. And that does it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. And thank you for watching this evening news report. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and goodbye, everyone.